Hello everyone, I am Sulaim Rizvi and I will be your instructor throughout this course. Now, let's get started with your training. When you will open AutoCAD for the first time, you will see this interface. You can start your new drawing from here. You can open any saved file from here. Here, you can see all your recent documents on which you were working. Now, open new drawing file. This is the working interface of AutoCAD where you will do all your work. This is the ribbon bar of AutoCAD. It contains drawing menu, modify, and several other menu. This is the application menu. We can open new file from here. We can open our saved file from here. We can save our work from here or from shortcut key Ctrl+S. There are several other options that we will learn during the course. This is the UCS, that is User Coordinate System of AutoCAD. This is the World Coordinate System of AutoCAD. This is the navigation bar. This is the status bar. Go to customization. We can active or inactive features of status bar from here. This is the command bar where we will give all our commands. Type line command, select line. Now draw a random sketch. Close this sketch. So this is the basic overview of AutoCAD interface.